Today, let's make beetroot roti. It's soft, red, and delicious. Grab a beetroot, peel it, chop it into small pieces. Throw it in a blender with some water. And blend it into a smooth puree. Now strain the puree and separate all the water. We just need that dried beet juice. In a big bowl, add some wheat flour, pour in the beetroot juice and start kneading it into a nice soft dough. Add a little olive oil at the end and give the dough a final knead. All done. I'm taking out half the dough and storing it in a closed container in the fridge. I will use it later. Let's make rotis now. Divide the dough into small balls. Dust with a little flour to stop sticking. And start rolling them out, round, thin and nice and even. Heat up a tawa or pan, throw the roti on and cook both sides on medium heat. Press it gently with a cotton cloth. It'll puff up like a balloon. Optionally, spread a little butter on top to keep the roti soft for longer, and it tastes even better also. Enjoy it with any curry, a side dip, or just plain yogurt.